Greetings to you all, wherever you're watching me from, and concerning the issues is still on ground based on what everybody's saying here and there. Now, another veteran actress, Opeyemi Aiyeola, has tried her possible best to touch one or two aspects of this issue on ground, just for us to have one or two lessons from it. So she explains so many things that I believe it will help everyone listening to this or watching this right now, because so many things she unveiled when it comes to relationship matter, friendship matter, and the likes. You have to listen what Opeyemi Aiyeola said in this video. It will surely help you in one way or the other. Don't forget, if this is your first time, subscribe to get more info on this issue.
Hi everyone, good morning. It's your girl Opeyemi Aiyeola. First of all, let me wish you all a happy new month. May this new month bring us nothing but divine health, favor, love, happiness, and unending testimonies. Okay, I would like us to kind of talk briefly, or I would like to encourage us briefly on friendship and loyalty. Obviously, too many things are happening right now, and there's a camp A, there's a camp B, especially with the release of voice notes going on. I hope you all understand the issue I'm trying to talk about without necessarily mentioning names. Okay, so there's a camp A and there's a camp 4. Oh, the person that released the voice notes he should release it. There's a camp that believes against the person that released the voice notes is a traitor. And this is my take, thinking about the whole thing. I want all of us to understand that aside friendship and relationship, there's what we call loyalty. Now, when you are friends with someone or some people, you need to understand that in the midst of friendship there is loyalty. People have individuals they are loyal to. Like, I may have 2 friends, 3 friends, 10 friends, but amongst my friends there will be some or one of them that is loyal to me. I will have amongst my friends or family members or acquaintances or that I am loyal to. It's part of being in a relationship with one another. Loyalty is a part of being in relationship. It doesn't mean the person that is loyal to me is not good friends with our other friends, or it doesn't mean the person I am loyal to is my only friend in the park. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So I think this is an issue or a situation of loyalty. So all of us need to understand that. I'm friends with you, I'm friends with a lot of people, but there is 1 or 2 that decide or believe they owe me loyalty. Or there will be 1 or 2 amongst my pack that I believe I owe loyalty to. And whoever I owe loyalty to gets 100% of my loyalty. It doesn't mean the other person is my enemy. I watch out for that person. That person comes first. If I hear, see, or know anything that I feel will negatively affect the person I am loyal to, I will let them know. It's the way relationships work. It's the way friendship work. And that is the way friendship should work. So in a nutshell, let us understand that amongst our friends, in the midst of relationship and friendship, there is loyalty. Is that your friend that you're telling your secrets loyal to you? Does that person owe you 100% loyalty, or their loyalty is to somebody else? That is the most important question we should ask ourselves when we are in a relationship with any individual. Do they owe me loyalty? Is my loyalty? Do I owe them loyalty? And the only thing I can say with regards to this situation is God will intervene, the storm will be still, and I kind of beg pro and anti sectors, show mercy, show mercy to everybody involved. Everybody involved have their individual faults. Well, that's fine, but everybody involved have their fault. Let us be mindful, peaceful with our comments, especially when we are not personally involved in a situation. Genuinely, you, me, everybody else, we are not personally there. And know this, the art of human is desperately wicked and is deep. Who can know it? That's what the Bible says. Inu jingam. So all we should just do is, try and pray for every individual involved, solicit for peace, help if we can, support as much as we can, mentally, emotionally, psychologically, financially. Let us handle this with love so that we do not emotionally and psychologically break people. That's very important. Everything is not financial. Emotional and psychological trauma, distress is deep. God bless you. Do not forget, loyalty is a part of friendship and relationship. And once again, if my loyalty is to a particular individual, it is my duty to protect, guard, support that person. However, whatever way I feel is right for me to do so. This circumstance is an issue of loyalty. You will do the same for somebody you genuinely love and you are loyal to. It's deeper than any one of us. No. God bless us. It's a new month. It's a new month. Let us be peaceful and gentle with our comments. Then another thing I have noticed about social media is let us be mindful of taking sides. Let us be careful when we are taking sides. Let us try and put our emotions aside in any situation that comes up on social media. Let us not run with our emotions. Kamaba Beshe. God bless you all. Thank you so much, everyone. Comment respectfully. And I want to tell you, I am not for or against anyone. Every one of them are my people, but I know who I owe my loyalty to. And I pray for peace. I pray for calmness, and I pray that God will intervene and the storm will be stilled. God bless you. I love you. God bless you. Opeyemi, Aiyeola. Have a wonderful, wonderful new month filled with blessings and unending testimony. Love you guys. Bye.